Welcome to today's practice. I'm Anouk, a trauma-informed yoga teacher. So cramping can feel as if your body is turning against you, but more often than not, it's a call to soften and to listen. This gentle practice is for the menstrual phase, to soften the womb, calm your nervous system, and let your body know, I'm here with you. So if you're ready, let's begin. So let's make our way in a comfortable cross-legged seated position. Closing your eyes if that feels safe, or keep a soft gaze. Place your hands gently on your knees and begin by making soft circles with your upper body, where you inhale, move forward, exhale, moving back in a circular motion. Inhale, open the shoulder blades. Exhale, close the shoulder blades. Inhale, shine your heart. And exhale, protect your heart. Do a couple more with your own breath, your own tempo. You can speed it up if you feel you're there today, or if you're a little slow, then keep them slow. Honor your own rhythm. That's what this practice is all about today. And on your next inhale, switch directions. Really focus on opening the shoulders, opening the spine, because we're awakening the spine and the pelvic bowl, and we increase blood flow in the uterus, which can reduce stagnation and ease menstrual cramping. Couple more. If you have your eyes closed, you can keep them rolled up and in at your third eye. And let's come into stillness. Hands resting on your knees. Just observe your body, your breath, your mind. And let's move in a gentle vagus nerve touch. So placing one hand on your heart, one on the side of your neck or your jaw, and start inhaling through the nose for 4 seconds. And exhaling through the nose or through the mouth for 6. Soften your gaze or close your eyes, rolled up and in at the third eye. So inhale through the nose, 2, 3, 4. Exhaling through the nose or the mouth for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, maybe you want to make sound, allow your body to do so. 3, 4, 5, 6. Continue with your own count, keeping your exhales longer than your inhales. This signals safety to your body, and you're letting your system know it can downshift. It helps to regulate heart rate variability, which has been linked to improve hormonal balance and menstrual cycle regulation. So this is also an excellent practice to practice off the mat. Just this simple heart breathing. Even if it's for 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 1 minute. If you're feeling overwhelmed, this should be your go-to practice. Couple more breaths. feeling the warmth of your hands, the touch on your body. And then with awareness, come onto your back with your knees bent, your feet hip-width apart. For some spine pelvic tilts. So gently tilt your pelvis forward and arching the lower back, and then flatten it to the ground. Inhale to tilt and exhale to release. Again, see if you can make your exhales longer than your inhales. And breathe into your lower belly, soft and without too much force. Inhale, tilt and arch. Exhale, release. This simple motion invites more softness into the womb and relaxes the psoas, which often tightens with cramping. And it's the muscle connected to the womb and the fight-flight response. So bringing awareness here with a soft breath also helps to release this muscle. And then come again into stillness. Just observe how your womb and your body feel. And then let's move into some slow windshield wipers and belly breaths. So let your knees fall side to side like windshield wipers, moving with the breath and moving how it feels most natural to you. As long as you keep the breath slow and steady, and the option to place one hand on your womb, your belly, and one on your heart. And as you sway, imagine you're massaging your womb from the inside out, and you're supporting liver detox pathways, which can help the body to metabolize excess estrogen, which is key for reducing PMS and hormonal cramps. And coming into stillness, into constructive rest pose. Your knees are bent and your knees are falling into each other. Bringing both hands to your lower belly. And let's breathe together here. Inhale deeply in the lower belly as if you're breathing into your womb. And exhale with a soft sigh. Sound is very healing. So inhale, exhale, sigh out any stuck energy. And know that cramps are messengers, and the more you learn to listen, the softer they will start to speak. A couple more. And then slowly make your way into a seated position and take a moment to rest with your hands on your womb and one on your heart. You're invited to stay longer in this pose and to meditate or reflect or play one of my yoga nidras to soften even more and allow yourself more time to rest. If this practice supported you, please subscribe. That helps the channel the most. Share it with a friend, leave me a comment. I love to connect. And now let's close our practice together. Inhale, arms overhead. Exhale, hands to heart center. One more time. Hands overhead. And exhale, hands to heart center, bowing gently. Thank you so much for your practice. Flow with love and peace.